Yo, what's up, everybody? How's it going tonight? So it's still November the 26th here. It's about 9 p.m. And we're going to do a technical analysis on kind of the general market and see what's been going on. And just to get a vibe of what you guys can expect or what exactly I'm expecting as well, okay? So what I'm expecting is some hardcore correction. Okay, so let's just go over first of all. We're gonna build this watch list together tonight, and then we're going to also just go through the list of everything and kind of just classify them into a general category of like why we're picking these coins, why they're prioritized this way, why they may not be not as important to us, and so on, right? So we're gonna go through that normal criteria list that I go through every time there's a big rally and something happens. We kind of take a step back and we say to ourselves, all right, where are we in this market right now, and how can we possibly capitalize on the next move? So just to catch everybody up on my trades today, we're doing fairly well. Yeah, I think we're doing always well together, right? I know a lot of people are catching these profits as well because they're being thankful on Twitter there or through Messenger. So we grew this account from the original 500 all the way to 7,500 already. Today was a pretty big day. I think we ended up getting about $1,000 American already today. What are we at today actually? Pretty up there. Whoops. I'm sorry to be doing this in front of you guys. I'd rather not pause it. So this is the sum of just November 26th. So it's been a pretty good day, $1,082 in profit there. This challenge will be from basically $5,000 to $10,000. And we have a lot of footage already that I filmed. So it's going to be pretty easy to finish it, I think. So let's get into this technical analysis, guys. I don't want to take up too much time because I'm a little bit tired as well. All right, let's get that down there. So let's go scan through here and just identify once again the top coins that are volatile. So this way we can focus on them. We know that XRP, Ethereum, they're always going to be up there with like Link. XLM is really up there still. Litecoin, BCH, which I'm not touching. ADA is up there, right? Wi-Fi is really up there too. So a lot of these coins, they yield some incredible opportunity. And I'm going to stick to the coins that I know, right? I'm going to stick to the ones that I know really well, such as Wi-Fi, such as Ethereum, XRP, XLM. So let's go through each one of these and see what we can identify and see where we are in the structure of the entire thing. So let's talk about Bitcoin very quickly first of all. So Bitcoin on the high time frame, no doubt about it, it went really, really high up to the sky, okay? Actually, let's go to 12 hour. It went up to the sky, and since November the 5th, right, that's where the rally of everything went. Wasn't really too positively correlated to Bitcoin, like to some extent, but of course this drop ended up affecting kind of everything. So this ended up retracing a huge amount from the beginning, like, or of this entire wave itself. It's about not even 382 quite yet. So Bitcoin's definitely in a corrective pattern, and I think it's going to be a continuation pattern to the downside because it's really, really overdue. But I still believe that we have a lot of time to make a bull run and a rally and another major attempt to actually hit the all-time high. And this right here is most likely going to have some sort of consolidation pattern and then end up breaking down a little bit more. That's my opinion, and that a very viable support would probably be say 16,000 first, right around this range of that breakout or this bounce off the 55 EMA, around 15,800, and then there's this region as well, which is 15,300, right? So if this ends up getting down there, we know two very relevant support regions. And off of the entire fib structure, I don't even think it matters much. Right now, we're pretty high up there. I don't know if we're correcting this entire wave though, or if it's just that wave by itself, but I'm pretty sure it's just that wave by itself right there. So Ethereum, right, makes another major rally as well. And then we end up correcting every single coin, basically same story, except most of the alts, it's from November the 5th and on, right? Excuse me there. Yeah, it's from November the 5th and on, and they've all made some pretty major corrections. XLM, same boat. It's not really fair to look at them on like dailies because there's not a lot of data since November the 5th, right? XRP rallies there from November the 5th. XLM as well. My lips are so dry right now. November the 5th here as well, but Link ends up retracing a lot more than a lot of these guys here. So since November the 5th, link here ends up retracing. We go up here and it's like it went down to almost 786 and it went back into this particular breakout region right here. So link is pretty volatile in my opinion. So now it's going to be a matter of timing an entry to go long. That's what I think I'm going to be doing, right? Like, so just to focus on kind of these three coins right now, right? So why am I not picking the other coins? It's like the question I asked earlier. Why should these ones be prioritized and why should the other ones not be, right? So these ones are prioritized because of volume, first of all. And volume during these types of markets usually imply the most volatility as well. So just to give you an example, right now XRP ended up moving up about 245%. XLM ended up moving up 200 about. Link ended up moving 67, not much. This guy here, definitely not that much. It's XRP and Stellar that are the ones that moved the most. And then we got Cardano that moved about 100%. So it's pretty high. It should probably be upgraded to there, even above Link. Right, LTC didn't really do the biggest move, like 80%. It's not bad. I think Wi-Fi did a huge one. Yeah, so Wi-Fi should also be like high priority, like in there right now. It's one of my favorite coins, and it just got rejected through like a major resistance right here by a huge percentage, a 6%. So right now, I think that Wi-Fi is the furthest in the correction. Because if you take a look here, these coins didn't reach a peak until about November the 23rd, 24th. XLM 23, 24, 25 for this one. But Wi-Fi actually reached it way earlier. It reached it around November the 20th. So 4 or 5 days earlier than most coins, which means that it's progressed further into the cycle in terms of the correction, right? Because it reached the high first, it's had more time now to correct than the other coins that reached the high 5 days later. And what we can conclude from that was that this right here was about how many hours here? 1 day, 18 hours, where it just kept going down. XRP is at about almost the same, right? So if you take a look at this right here in this structure of the correction down to the bottom, right? That would be equivalent to say Wi-Fi's. Let's get on 2. Okay, so this one's for example Wi-Fi, and this one here, and let's get this out of here. So if you look right here where we are, that's like 2 days something. That would be equivalent to something like that, right? Where it reached the bottom and it's bouncing up. So this one right now is pretty much in this phase where we came down and then we're going up, and then most likely we're going to come down again. So you see this one. Oh, the cursor is locked in here. I don't like that. I don't know why the cursors are doing the same. It's weird. Never mind. Okay, it's good now. And then this one here is in this phase where it's coming down, and we're most likely going up, and then we're going to find another one down somewhere, right? That's how I've always seen the market in the past while. How there's always like this coin that's like kind of further ahead, and for whatever fundamental reason I don't care about, I just see the charts repeating the same patterns over and over and over, right? So then, you know, like if we compare it to say another coin, let's say XLM, okay, we also see a similar thing going on where we don't see that yet. We only see that coming down, and we see that going upwards. Yeah, I'm sorry, it's a little bit loud. I realize that. So then I just can't keep myself awake without music lately. So then now we're looking for something up there, and then most likely gonna come down, right? That's what I think, in my opinion. So it's interesting how they're all like that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm looking for short opportunity. That's the truth. Okay, because I don't believe for a moment that we're done correcting this quickly. Yeah, no way. It can't be this quick, right? We've had like major bull runs. I've done like hundreds of percents. Then ADA is kind of the same thing here, but this one here got to about the 23rd, so it's kind of like in the middle, both of them. You know? So this one's trying to make its way up right now as well. So I just want to give you guys like a really quick summary. Actually, you know what? I want to do a really in-depth one, but I'm way too tired tonight, guys. Put it that way, okay? My brain energy is like exhausted lately, and I'm just kind of pushing myself. I'm really pushing for 10,000 now, if you guys can't tell. So this video like didn't really go as planned, so I apologize for that. Yeah, I guess I just want to give you guys like my pick and kind of my quick thoughts for what I'm expecting tomorrow. So when I wake up, I'm either gonna catch a short position, right? That would be great if it's on time. You know, it might even get there earlier. It might not even happen. A lot of times you can miss things when you're sleeping. So hopefully I can catch a short tomorrow. Or if it already happened, then I'm gonna be forced to kind of wait for a long when it on another dip. So a lot can happen from now till the morning, right? Because usually I'm up like around 8 to 10 o'clock, something like that. I don't start working till like 11 or 12. Okay, so I'll let you guys out. Like, yeah, sorry for the video. I'm really out of it right now. Gotta sleep. Good night, guys.